Namaskar. In this video I will discuss about glimpsing the total mind. Most people lose awareness within the first few minutes that they enter the state of sleep. However, it is possible to extend this important transition phase at the portals of sleep so as to preserve the thread of awareness. This enables us to experience the sleeping state with our conscious awareness intact. The ultimate outcome of Yoga Nidra is total harmony and integration between all levels of consciousness. One who perfects Yoga Nidra transcends the three initial states of awareness, entering into a fourth, unitive state beyond individual consciousness, emerging with the universal consciousness. In religious terms, this experience has been termed liberation, God realization, but in Yoga and Tantra we know it as the experience of the total mind in operation. For most people, the contents of the dream and deep sleep states are glimpsed only in a haphazard way by the conscious mind through occasional recall of a dream, trance or vision. Even these are often so highly symbolic and archetypal that they are not understood by the conscious mind and therefore remain unintegrated. As a result, the ordinary man lives solely within the highly restricted compass of the conscious mind, unaware of his deeper needs, capacities and attributes. Because his consciousness is fragmented, he is unable to tap the vast resources of knowledge within himself. Deprived of a way of reintegrating the psychic experiences of the dream and sleeping states into his conscious awareness, modern man remains unable to understand all the levels of his consciousness. He does not know who he is, nor where he is going, and this is really the cause of all his suffering. Because of this alone, he is unable to accept and live harmoniously with himself. How then can he hope to understand and be at peace with others? Yoga Nidra is a means of contacting the source of self-knowledge and inspiration lying within each person. It is a technique of self-induced dreaming in which the treasure house of our own consciousness can be systematically illumined, explored and then utilized to enrich our daily life.